Welcome to Kalike. In the given figure, ABCD is a square, EF is parallel to BD, R is the midpoint of EF. Prove that BE is equal to DF. AR bisects angle BAD. So, ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಏನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ಇ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ AR bisects angle BAD. Okay, so first part ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, that is BE is equal to DF ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ BD is a diagonal, BD diagonal, therefore it is bisecting angle B and angle D. The whole angle is 90 degrees, that is ABC is 90 degrees. But when it is bisected, it is 45 and 45 degrees. Okay, so 45 degrees, 45 degrees. So BD is parallel and to EF and BC is transversal. Then we have two pairs of corresponding angles. One is here, see, these two are corresponding angles. These two are corresponding angles. So since this is 45 degrees, this will also be 45 degrees. Similarly, consider DC as transversal. Then we have these two as corresponding angles. Then if this is 45, this will also be 45 degrees. Now consider triangle EFC. Here this is 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees, and this is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is a right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. That means having two sides equal. EC is equal to CF. EC is equal to CF. Now, we have to prove BE is equal to DF, but we have proved EC is equal to CF. See, first BC is equal to CD. These are sides of square. Now we have proved EC is equal to CF. Subtract 2 from 1, BC minus EC, and CD minus CF. BC minus EC gives BE and CD minus CF gives DF. So we are subtracting equals from equals. So the answer will also be equal. So BE is equal to DF. Now we will take the second part, that is AR bisects angle BAD. So what is angle BAD? This thing. Okay, here AR is this red line, so it is bisecting angle BAD. That means we have to prove angle BAR is equal to angle DAR. Again, BAR is made up of two angles, that is BAE and EAR. Similarly, DAF and FAR constitute DAR angle. Okay, so to prove this, first let's consider triangle ABE and triangle ADF. Consider these two triangles. AB and AD are sides of triangle, therefore they are equal, sides of square, and we have proved BE is equal to DF, and angle B is 90 degrees and angle D is also 90 degrees. Therefore, by SAS rule, these two triangles are congruent, that is triangle ABE is congruent with triangle ADF. So, the corresponding parts will be equal. What are the corresponding parts? The corresponding parts are this angle and this side. This angle will be equal to this angle, that is BAE will be equal to DAF and AE side will be equal to AF side. Now, consider triangle AER and triangle AFR. Here we have already proved AE is equal to AF, ER is equal to RF because R is middle point and AR is common side. Therefore, by SSS rule, these two triangles are congruent, that is triangle AER is congruent with triangle AFR. Therefore, by CPCT, the corresponding parts will be equal, that is EAR, angle EAR will be equal to angle FAR. Now, we have already proved BAE angle is equal to DAF angle. Now, we have proved EAR angle is equal to FAR angle. Add these two equations, BAE plus EAR gives BAR angle. Similarly, DAF and FAR angle gives DAR angle. Therefore, these two angles are equal because we are adding equal to equals. So, BAR is equal to DAR. In other words, AR is bisecting angle A. Since this is bisecting angle A, it will, if I extend this, it will touch the other end of this square, that is at point C. Hope you have understood this problem. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel Kalike Online. Thank you.